Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Restart Fitness with Subin. So guys, today's topic is protein supplements. So most of us have this doubt which protein to take, what are the different kinds of protein available in the market, what is whey protein concentrate, what is whey protein isolate, what is whey protein hydrolyzed, what is creatine protein, what is egg protein, what is plant-based protein, what is organic protein. So we all have like different kinds of protein available in the markets, and so we are so confused about it. So today let's discuss what are the major kinds of protein available in the market and what is the difference between them. So what are protein supplements? Protein supplements are concentrated source of protein from plants and animals such as dairies, eggs, rice or peas. Now let's see what are isolate, concentrate and hydrolyzed protein means. A concentrate protein means it has 60 to 80% of protein content and the rest 20 to 40% will be fats and carbohydrate. Isolate protein means 90 to 95% of the content will be protein. And hydrolyzed, it breaks amino acids so that our body absorbs it quickly. Now let's see what are the different types of protein supplements, the major types of protein supplements available in the market. Number one, the most famous, whey protein. It has two forms, whey protein concentrate and whey protein isolate. Whey protein concentrate contains some lactose and whey protein isolate does not contain it. Studies reveal that whey protein helps to grow muscle faster and helps to recover from a hard workout. Number two, creatine protein. Again, it comes from milk. As this is slow digesting, this results in gradual and steadier exposure of your muscles to amino acids, which means that the muscle breakdown will be controlled. Number three, egg protein. It is an excellent source of high quality protein with all the 9 amino acids in it. Egg white protein can be a very good substitute for the people who are allergic to dairy or animal protein. Number 4, mixed plant proteins. These kinds of protein are usually a combination of brown rice, peas, quinoa, hemp, chia seeds or flax seeds. The conclusion is, although not everyone needs protein supplements, but it could be beneficial if you don't take enough protein from your diet. Here's a small tip. If you're looking for weight gain or size or gaining, you should go with whey protein concentrate. And if you're looking for cutting, fat loss, you should go with isolate. So guys, hope you have learned something of whey protein, different kinds of whey protein, and hope this video helped you to select your whey protein concentrate or isolate or hydrolyzed. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much.